This video demonstrates the new level switching feature of HP FutureSmart firmware using HP Web Jetadmin or WJA. The level switching feature is also available through the printer control panel and HP Embedded Web Server or EWS. Those methods are demonstrated in separate videos. Level switching allows you to install a single firmware bundle on a product and change between versions of HP FutureSmart on demand. This allows customers to compare, test, and qualify new features of HP FutureSmart firmware prior to implementing the new firmware across a fleet of printers. Level switching also allows administrators to quickly and easily update a fleet of printers to the same HP FutureSmart level. The level switching feature is available in HP FutureSmart 3 version 3.2 and above, or in HP FutureSmart 4 and 5. HP Web Jetadmin SR4 or higher is required to view and change the HP FutureSmart level. For the latest version of HP Web Jetadmin, go to hp.com/go/webjetadmin. Open Web Jetadmin. Click All Devices. Then select the printer you want to change. Click the Config tab. Select your device. Click FutureSmart Level and you will see FutureSmart Level. Changes pending. Click Apply to continue. If the value needs to change, click the checkbox next to the level box and then type in the level change to 3. Note: if you enter a number outside of the range that the device supports, HP Web Jetadmin automatically changes the version number to the nearest minimum or maximum level that the device supports. Click Apply. After clicking Apply, the printer will automatically restart. After your printer has restarted, verify that the FutureSmart level has changed. To verify, click Device. Click FutureSmart Level. The level will now show 3. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.
Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.